You're in charge of a site where failure isn't an option. Drones are showing up in your inbox, in your budget meetings, maybe even on your fence line. This is where we make sense of what's hype, what's real, and how to actually use it. Welcome to On the Fly. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jordan. Today we're talking about a topic that doesn't always get the spotlight, but should. It's about what happens when things go wrong during an autonomous drone mission.
Right.
Because here's the reality. As drones fly further, faster, and without direct human control, failure isn't just inconvenient, it's high risk.
Exactly. We're talking about autonomous drones operating beyond visual line of sight, BVLOS, and especially when they're flying over people, vehicles, or, sensitive infrastructure.
Yeah.
When a failure happens midair, you don't have a pilot on standby. You need a plan.
Absolutely.
And that plan better kick in within seconds.
Or even half a second. That's where AVSS comes in. Specifically, their parachute recovery system, now fully integrated with FlytBase's autonomy platform. It's not just a piece of hardware strapped to a drone. It's a tightly woven safety net built right into the very fabric of autonomous operations.
Let's set the stage. Imagine you're running a refinery. You've got drone-in-a-box systems like the DJI Dock 2 doing perimeter patrols at night. No humans, no controllers, everything's automated. But then, unexpected rotor failure. Maybe a bird strike, maybe a system glitch.
Okay.
You've got 5 seconds, maybe less, before that drone comes down hard.
That's where the AVSS parachute changes the game. This system is engineered to deploy in under 0.5 seconds once a failure is detected.
Wow.
Not only does it slow the descent, it ensures the drone lands in a way that protects people, property, and your compliance scorecard.
And what's clever here is how it's connected to the FlytBase platform. I mean, this isn't just a physical failsafe.
Right.
Operators can see the live status of the parachute system from their ops dashboard. Armed state, disconnections, any errors, it's all visible before takeoff.
Right, and during flight, the system is listening. If a failure hits, it triggers parachute deployment immediately. But here's the kicker. If for any reason the operator needs to intervene, they can deploy the chute manually from the dashboard in real time.
And what we're talking about is real autonomy with real safeguards. And in BVLOS missions, especially over urban areas or critical zones, that level of control and awareness is non-negotiable.
Let's go one level deeper. Some AVSS units, like the PRS M3DTEX, even include a built-in flight termination system.
Okay.
That means the drone powers down before the chute opens. Why does that matter?
Good question.
Because a spinning rotor under a parachute is a lawsuit waiting to happen.
Or worse. The FTS makes sure you're meeting strict compliance requirements. Think ASTM F3322-22 or ESA's MOC 2512.
Yeah.
It's not just good practice. It's how you get approved for BVLOS waivers and insurance in the first place.
Let's zoom in on what happens after a deployment. The FlytBase dashboard automatically logs the incident. Last known coordinates, telemetry data, alert logs, it's all right there.
Right there.
And once the drone is recovered, the system resets itself, ready for the next mission.
Imagine the old way. Dispatching a human observer, manually collecting logs, writing reports. Now it's all built in. Instant acknowledgement alerts, visual feedback, even a reset of your launch panel and map view once the drone's marked as rescued.
All of this goes beyond just-in-case planning. It's operational readiness. You're not only protecting people, you're protecting your ability to scale.
Yes.
Because, let's be honest, without built-in safety, most BVLOS programs never make it past the pilot stage.
Direct. So if you're managing security for a mine, an airport, a refinery, this is your chance to bake safety into your system from day one.
Exactly.
The AVSS and FlytBase integration isn't some patchwork fix. It's a foundation for confident, compliant autonomy.
And if you're already using DJI Dock 2 or planning for, say, urban or long-range missions, now's the time to look at your emergency readiness strategy. Because the reality is, regulators will ask, insurance providers will ask.
They will.
And your team will thank you when you've already got the answers.
You can connect with FlytBase to activate AVSS integration across your fleet.
Right.
Walk through region-specific compliance needs and fast-track your BVLOS roadmap with safety built in from the start.
Because autonomy at scale demands safety at scale. And this is what that looks like.
Fly far, fly smart, fly on the fly.